Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a lady spin walk behind. Knowing how to do a lady spin already would be really helpful, and having some experience of leading walks would be helpful as well, but not really necessary for this one. I'll put a link to the lady spin in the description below in case you need to go back and look at it, so it's easy and quick for you to find. But jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. You may find you have slightly different timing when you do this, because if you walk a bit faster or take smaller steps or larger steps, you might get there a count early, you might get there a count late. And the energy of the music will probably change how fast you do those things. So let's break it down. It goes right to right, starts like a standard lady spin. As we send the lady into the spin, the guy is trying to get his hand onto the lady's back, and we want to have that palm to the right. So as the lady goes round, we get the fingertips in and we get the space between the lady's shoulder blades. So we can actually start to slow the lady down and start her to go forwards to the right from the guy's point of view. We're going to head forwards to the left. So what's going to happen, guys, we're going to stay facing the same way, but we're going to guide the lady around our right hand side across the back, and then a little flick to get her across the left hand side. We catch as she finishes off coming around to face, and then it's just return to finish off. So we're going to do it from the other side, talk numbers, but you may well find you come out slightly differently on the count, so it's not going to be a problem. We go back 1, preparation 2, spin 3, walking 4 and 5 and 6, catching 7, returning 8 and back 1. So let's try it together. Lady spin, walk behind. Here we go. 5, 6, a lady spin, walk behind. We go a back, prep, spin, walk, 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 catch, return and back. And from a musical point of view, if you can time that slow feeling walk for like a long slow down in the music, you'll find it fits absolutely fantastically well. Whereas if you've got a high energy tune, the slow down doesn't really feel like it matches the song. So you want to pick your moment for it. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, and notifications mean you get told every time a new video comes out, providing you've got notifications turned on. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice this too. That's just a link to a music video in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.